My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Operatedevelopedextremelyinfo-file.info. The danger of this site is that this is a totally fake Chrome update alert. The website claims that users need to implement this so-called update. But in reality, this is a fake update. It is not related to Google Chrome browser. If people start interacting with these fake updates, they may be forced to download and install some unwanted browser extensions, which may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. Anyway, please be very careful. Don't interact with these fake Chrome updates. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly added, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. I would also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then start researching and investigating your computer in order to detect and delete all other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.